Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the use of has and have. Let's see where has is used and have is used. See children, where has is used, we use has with he, she, it, and with a singular noun. Okay children, now repeat with me, he has, she has, it has. We also use with singular noun. What is singular noun? Means in number one, noun in number one. What is a noun? What is noun? You know already, the naming words. What are they? They are the name of animals, birds, name of places and things, etc. Let's see some examples. He dash a red car. See children, we use has for he. So, we have to use here has. Then she dash long hair. See children, here the word she we use has for she. She has long hair. You see the children here? It, the word it dash see children, we use has for it. It has many flowers in this bag. And we also use has for a singular noun. Means Priya. You see, Priya name is here? No. Priya dash a pet cat. Priya is not here, so Priya is your singular noun. Okay, so we have to use here has. Priya has a pet cat. Shima dash a brown frock. See here, Shima name is Shima. What is here? No, there is no Shima. But Shima is a singular noun. So you have to use here with a singular noun. We use has. So Shima has a brown frock. Let's children see the use of have. We use have with I. We use with have with I. We use have with they. We use have with we. we use have with you and we use have with plural nouns. Plural nouns means plus one. Plus one means more than one. Plural nouns. Okay, children. Now see some examples here. See, we use they, we use have for they. They dash many toys. We use have for they. So, we have to write here have. I dash a red balloon. Now, read children. See, for I we use have. So, you have to write here I have a red balloon. We dash many flowers. See children, for we use have. So, you have to write here have. You dash gone to the market. See here we are using have for you. So, you have to write here have. Now, repeat again children, before writing these sentences, before fill in the sentences, you have to write again these sentences. They have many toys, I have a red balloon, we have many flowers, you have gone to the market. Then we also use have in the plural nouns. See, Richa and Priya dash have 4 pet cats. See here, Richa and Priya, what is not there? They are plural nouns. So, we are using have for the plural nouns. So, Richa and Priya are both the plural nouns. So, you have to use have here. Read again children, Richa and Priya have 4 pet cats. You must have learned children about the concept of has and have, and it will be helpful for you in your further study. Thank you children.